Hello, and welcome to Malwarebytes How-Tos. External storage devices can be used to move your company data onto personal devices. In this video, we will show you device control for OneView, which allows you to restrict or eliminate the use of removable media on your endpoints. To control how your endpoints treat these devices, log into your OneView console and expand the Settings menu. Choose Policies. You can set different rules for each policy, so there could be different rules for each site or type of device. Under Protection Settings, see the Device Control section. By default, Device Control allows endpoint users read-write access to the USB devices. Here, you could change it to allow read-only access to the device for this policy group. If you select this option, a new field will appear, allowing you to customize the message the user will see. Another option is to block all access to removable media for endpoints on this policy. If you select this option, you can also customize the message. If you change any settings, be sure to click Save. Customize the settings for each policy for which you would like to monitor and modify access to external devices. Want to know whether your policies are having an effect? After your limits have been in place for a while, click on Detections in the left menu, and then Device Control. This will show a list of all attempts to use an external storage device on your endpoints with a restricted policy. You can see which endpoint was involved and what action Malwarebytes took. Block the device from use or allow read-only access. Click on the name of a particular device to delve into that incident. Once you've customized your policies, your new restrictions will take effect and your data will be secured. Your device control page will keep logging experiences so you can investigate further. If you have any questions, please visit service.malwarebytes.com.